So what's up, YouTube? I just started this video. I said I was gonna start it at 6 o'clock, but it's actually 5:49 right there. $5.50, sorry. Right, my watch was up. Oh well, $5.50. And I kind of got over here early to check out and see if the fish were biting or not, and they obviously are. Caught my first one on a spinnerbait just now. So we're gonna continue fishing. I'll get back to you with the next one, and we're gonna video it for a little bit. I'll get back to you later if I catch another one. So let's go. If I can set the phone up in an area where. Oh shit. It's gonna be a lot harder on rocks, I thought. Work. So the water's really muddy today. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try and fish baits with some flash, mainly because spinnerbaits, chatterbaits, chartreuse crankbaits got that bright color, might stand out in the water. So I'm gonna see if I can stick to that pattern. So far it worked. Caught my first one. It's only a dink. It's about 10 and 11 inches, 10, somewhere around there. So little guy, still fish. Oh, guy. Now, I know I just caught one on a spinnerbait, but I'm gonna go grab chatterbait, see if I can get one on that. So I'm back, getting a rod. I'm fishing with a chartreuse and white chatterbait with 15-pound monofilament and a blue flecked hyperworm from Lake Fork on a medium action rod. I think I'll put it that way. So I would add some top water into this, but I do not have a top water lure. I have top water lures, but I don't have a buzzbait. That's what I would throw. The water's muddy. It's chocolate milk over here. And as you notice, I caught a bass in muddy water. But, so a frog I don't think would work to its strengths like it would in good, clean water where fish can see it easily. Muddy water is going to be a little bit more difficult. So I was going to add a buzzbait, but I don't think I have one. So I'm gonna go check. I'll get back with y'all later if I do hook up to a fish. So I'm gonna pause it and I'll start it up if I get a fish. I think my phone's ejected. So welcome back. Still fishing, not catching anything right now. That's just an update. I'll get back to you whenever I catch something. Well, Lamb, what's up, man? We're doing some buzzbait right now. The buzzbait sucks, but it's a buzzbait. I found one. I'm trying. Legit the worst buzzbait in history. The worst. Do not buy Walmart buzzbait. I found this on the buy side. I know what it is. It is the worst buzzbait in history. I will never buy it again. Don't buy it. If I want a buzzbait, go to Academy or something and buy an actual good buzzbait. Booyah, Strike King, Humdinger, those are good brands for buzzbaits. Just buy one of those. Those actually work. Walmart buzzbaits are shit. Don't buy Walmart brand. The spinnerbait's okay though. You can buy the spinnerbait. The spinnerbait's alright. It's the only thing I ever found Walmart brand that works. Spinnerbaits. They hold up. They're not as good as the Booyahs, but if you're doing just like, if you want it for one fishing trip wise, that's a good bait, good spinnerbait to buy. It works pretty good. So that's a good spinnerbait. Just depends on what you get. So I'll get back to y'all. So what's up? I'm back. Just went to get my coffee. It's pretty good. Community coffee. It's really good. Can't beat it. Product placement. back to fishing with a spinnerbait. So, I'm gonna do a little description on this spinnerbait right here real quick. That spinnerbait is one of my favorites when fishing. All it is a white Booyah spinnerbait with a size 4. It's a white Booyah spinnerbait with a size 4, no, 3.5 Booyah blade on it with a little silver size 3.5 Colorado blade with a white skirt. It was a white spinnerbait. This spinnerbait I find works pretty good on the buy side. I don't know why. I guess it's shad or something like that. It's the only spinnerbait I ever found that worked to the T the best. It's the only spinnerbait really ever stands out to me. I caught a 4.5 not too long ago on these rocks with this spinnerbait, so not bad. So that's pretty good. Now there will be a second video going out today because I can't fit all of this video on one 15-minute period. So this video will end in a little bit and I'll restart another one. I'm gonna be posting 2 of them. So that's part of it. So watch the second one if you want to watch the rest of the fishing trip. But I'll stop it here and get back to y'all if I hook a fish.